Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are in the absolutely stunning medieval hill town of Petroio today. And a little word of advice, when you see a parking lot, park in it, because I accidentally drove through the Centro Storico and it is downright terrifying. So you don't want to do that. Make sure you park down below and walk up. But I'm telling you, this is one of the prettiest towns I've seen. And from this overlook here, you can see Pienza, you can see Montalcino, you can see all of the other beautiful little hill towns off in the distance, plus stunning views from up here. Now we're going to be up here looking at a property tomorrow. You might want to pay real close attention because it is for sale and Mirko is offering it. So we're going to have a look at that tomorrow and put it up on the channel for you guys.